This is Berk, son. And it's my job as chief to protect us. And one day, when you're all grown up, that job will be passed on to you. And out there, beyond the sunset, lies the home of the dragon. And I believe it's your destiny to one day find this hidden world, so that people and dragons...
My name's Hiccup. Great name, I know, but it's not the worst. Parents believe a hideous name will frighten off gnomes and trolls, like our charming Viking demeanor wouldn't do that.
Stop! Just stop. Every time you step outside, disaster follows. Can you not see that I have bigger problems? Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed. Why can't you follow the simplest orders?
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon, and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Oh, many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them. Get that?
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
I just want to be one of you guys.
Oh, what am I going to do with him, Gopher?
Put him in training with the others.
No, I'm serious.
So am I.
He'd be killed before you let the first dragon out of its cage.
Oh, you don't know that.
I do know that,
Don't
actually.
you?
No, actually, I do.
No, you don't.
Listen, you know what he's like. From the time he could crawl, he's been different. He doesn't listen, he has the attention span of a sparrow. I take him fishing and he goes hunting for trolls. Even as a boy, I knew what I was, what I had to become. Hiccup is not that boy.
You can't stop him, Stoic. You can only prepare him. I know it seems hopeless, but the truth is you won't always be around to protect him. He's going to get out there again. He's probably out there now.
Oh, the gods hate me. Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow! I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I am a Viking! I did this.
Hiccup.
Dad, I have to talk to you, Dad.
I need to speak with you too, son. You get your wish. Dragon training. You start in the morning.
Air
You'll
Vikings.
need this.
I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on, yes you do.
Rephrase, Dad, I can't kill dragons.
But you will kill dragon. This is serious, son. When you carry this axe, you carry all of us.
Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
Why don't you just fly away?
Well done, Astrid.
Is this some kind of a joke to you? Our parents' war is about to become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
Toothless. Could have sworn you had... any more? They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
The tails you really want. If it can't fly, it can't get away. A downed dragon is a dead dragon.
Yes! I did it!
Wow, he's better than you ever were.
Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Position 3. No, 4. Oh, this is amazing! The wind in my cheat sheet! Stop! Come on! Not so fireproof on the inside, are you? There you go. Everything we know about you guys is wrong. Oh, man. Ah! What the? What are you doing here?
I want to know what's going on. Are you training with someone?
Training? I didn't...
It better not involve this. Get down! Run! Run!
You just scared him.
I scared him? Who is him?
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid.
Your dad.
No, not yet. They'll kill Toothless. No, Astrid, we have to think this through carefully.
Hiccup, we just discovered the dragon's nest. The thing we've been after since Vikings first sailed here. And you want to keep it a secret? To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Yes. Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him. That was before it's all so messed up.
You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not my son. I'm so sorry. Hiccup! He's alive! Turns out all we needed was a little more of this.
You just gestured to all of me. You ready?